Hi, I'm Dan at Dekoni Audio, and I'm happy to introduce you to our Dekoni U series. Here at Dekoni, we're passionate about equipping everyone with the best options to create their perfect listening experience. We thought it would be beneficial to share information helpful to audiophiles and casual listeners alike regarding many different technical aspects of sound, audio equipment, and various factors that can aid you in understanding how the best sound is created and how you can get the most out of your audio devices. No matter what your level of experience is, you'll be able to take away something useful from our Dekoni U educational video series. Have you ever wondered why your speaker sounds so much louder than either your phone or computer? To answer this question, we're going to dive into the topic of amplifiers and how these devices work. Amplifiers, also known as amps, are essentially why your speakers can produce much louder sound than either your phones or computers. This is because the job of an amplifier is to raise the power of an audio signal. When you use an amplifier, it will increase the smaller input signal that you're using to play music, such as the headphone jack from your phone, to deliver a larger and more powerful output signal. To do this, an amplifier takes electrical energy from a power source to increase the voltage or current of an input signal so that it can produce a much greater signal at its output. The difference in amplification, or how much louder the output signal is compared to the input signal, is known as gain. Gain is the measurement of how much the amplifier amplifies or increases the input signal. Gain is also known as the ratio of the output voltage, current, or power to its respective input. For example, if there's an input signal of 1 volt and an output signal of 30 volts, then the amplifier's gain would be 30 volts. The amplifier has increased the input signal by a factor of 30. This increase is called gain. Amplifiers and how they work may seem relatively straightforward. A weaker signal goes in, and the amplifier amplifies the signal, right? Although this is essentially what amplifiers are and how they work, various types of amplifiers differentiate in design and usage. In fact, a quick Google search will reveal a vast amount of amplifiers, ranging from high-powered amps used in concerts and large events to tiny single transistors used in hearing aids, but we'll get into that in another video. For now, let's go over the 3 main audio levels, which include mic level, line level, and speaker level, and how an amplifier processes them. Microphone level is described as the amount of voltage generated by a microphone when it picks up sound. Typically, the voltage is then sent as a signal to a mixing console. However, the amount of voltage generated is not powerful enough to be converted to line level, which is required to produce audio for speakers. In order to increase the signal of microphone level to line level, you need a preamplifier. A preamplifier, included in the mixing console, will increase the gain or amplitude of a microphone level signal and convert it to a line level signal. Line level refers to a specific level of amplitude or strength of an audio signal. Line level is produced using mixers, signal processing equipment, and other audio gear. The signal is powerful enough to be worked with, but not powerful enough to drive a speaker. This is where amplifiers come in. Amplifiers are used to boost the line level signal to speaker level. This signal delivers enough power to generate a magnetic field, which will move the magnet of a speaker driver. A speaker driver is a loudspeaker transducer located inside the speaker. It converts electrical audio signals to sound waves, which would be your music or audio. Speaker level is essentially an amplified line level signal. Once a line level signal enters an amplifier, it will travel to the speakers at speaker level. The post-amplified signal will be a much higher voltage than line level and will allow for more powerful and louder music. Hopefully, we were able to give you a better understanding of amplifiers and how they work. In future videos, we'll go over the different classifications of amplifiers and headphone amplifiers and the purpose they serve for your headphones. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more informational videos in the future. We'll also leave a link to our blog posts in the description for more information on this topic. Before I let you go, if you're someone who's looking to improve the comfort and sound of your headphones, Dekoni Audio has attenuation kits, upgraded earpads, and more, which can allow you to modify your sound. Let us help you pursue the perfect listening experience at DekoniAudio.com.